Day to day Jiribam kanagumba miyoi kharana hek taunanaba hotnaramle. Asigumba laibak thiba thodok thoktanaba video asi loibhaw miyang taminasi. Day to day Jiribam na miyamgi midnakong singdanaba Jiribam to Imphal gi helicopter service ki matangda video thagatlaba matungda sakhangdaba miyoina page asibu hek taunanaba hotnarakhi. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯀꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 3ꯔꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈꯥꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯛꯀꯦ꯫ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯎꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯄꯦꯖ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ꯫ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯁꯅꯨ, ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯅꯨ꯫ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯁꯝꯊꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯖꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ XS ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯛꯀꯦ꯫
You will need to use a laptop or computer. You cannot get these values from mobile phone. Open Chrome browser in your PC and make sure your Facebook account is logged in. Now open facebook.com and make a right click. Go to Inspect Element. Then click on this double arrow mark and go to Application. After that, double click on Cookies in the left side and then Facebook. Now triple click in front of C user and copy the number. Paste it here. Then do the same for XS. Then click on Submit.
After submitting, do not log out from your computer until you receive a verification email.
Video asida ulliba process asi loiraba matungda Facebook password hapu hairakani. Maduda once amuk haplurabadi somgi account hack tawkigani. Maram maduna page ki karigumba monetization problem sing lakpa tarabasu professional dashboard ta yengbiyu maduna achumba oigani. Video asina kanagumba kharada achauba knowledge oigani haibagi thajaba thamli. Asidagi hena kupna khangningba lairabadi comment da thambiramu.